Yo, what is going on guys? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to be giving my air filter a bit of a clean. As you can see, it's starting to get a little bit dirty. Just going to give that a clean, give it an oil up as well. But just before we get into that, I hope you all had a wonderful New Year's and Christmas. Sorry I haven't uploaded in about a week. I've just been chilling out really, been back to work, getting back into it. So, bloody hell, it's cold. First of all, we're going to take it off, flathead screwdriver, and then we're going to give it a clean. I've got the K&N Re-Charger kit. So I've got the flathead screwdriver. First thing you need to do is obviously take off your air filter. So all I've got is just a little clamp, loosen that off a little bit, and it comes straight off. Happy days. K&N. Have it. There we go. So like I said, got the cleaner, that's the product there. Make sure that you've got this one, not the oil first. Oh, that's a bit strange. How strange is that? Anyway, back to it. So I guess, oh, it's like a, I don't know, like a square, I guess. So what I'm going to do is just make sure that we get it all over the filter. They give you plenty of liquid, so you should have enough to do it sufficiently. Wear protective gloves. Once again, I haven't got my gloves on. Quite happy with the job I've done there. Happy days. I'm giving that plenty of coverage. So what I'm going to do now is just quickly turn on the tap and then we'll give that a rinse down. Right, so we've got the tap running. For some reason it's leaking, but yeah, we'll roll with it anyway. Oh, it's going to be so cold on my hands.
A few moments later.
There we go. My hands are absolutely bloody freezing. Don't recommend this at home. Oh, my hands are so cold. So what we're going to do is let that dry for a minute or two now. Fucking tap's having a mare, look, it's all dripping everywhere. But yeah, we'll let that dry. So the actual filter is dry now. As you can see, there's still a little bit of wet on top of the rubber, but the actual filter is dry. So what we're going to do is apply the oil. I'm going to start at this sort of break in the filter and work all the way round, coming back round to it there. So let's do that. Got plenty of it, so don't be afraid to use quite a lot, like I'm doing. There we go. Oh, it is actually like red. So yeah, let's try and get rid of that somehow. I'm going to wipe this on then. Right, so now we've oiled it all up, looking nice and moist and very oily. Just going to need to put it back on the whip now. So it's really easy to get them back on. What you need to do is just slide it over like I've done there and tighten up the clamp. Oh, for Christ's sake. Aha. Right, so just hold that in place and then tighten up with your other hand the clamp. Now you can use that cleaner on panel filters as well. Obviously I've got the cone filter, but you just want to keep it as clean as possible really. So there we have it. So that is how to clean your air filter. So if you have enjoyed this video, I've got the bloody screwdriver. If you have enjoyed this video, if anyone is out there watching still, make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm bloody freezing, so I'm going to leave it at that and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.